Good morning, guys. I just want to go over a few things. We did that pre-incident survey last week on the First United Methodist Church at Main and Atchison Street, and I'm just going to talk about it and some of the tactics we may use. First of all, the building is type 1 fire resistive construction. It's got a gable roof with composition shingle roofs. The pitch is nominal. It's about a 5-on-12 pitch, so if we do need to perform vertical ventilation, we will work off roof ladders, obviously, but it's not so steep of a pitch that we'd be too concerned about falling off. The building does not have any specialized fire protection features. The building's not sprinklered. It does have a fire alarm system. The closest fire hydrant is going to be Main and Atchison Street, and that's it's a blue bonnet, as y'all remember from last week. That plug should flow between at least 1,500 GPMs or more. Like I said, there's no special hazards, no special fire load. The only real property conservation priorities we have are life safety. We've got between 8 o'clock and 15-30 hours on weekdays, we've got 20 or less children aged 3 to 7 in the building. So obviously we would focus on that first. The utilities, known utilities, are the electrical shutoff is on the Charlie Delta corner of the building. The gas main is on the Bravo Charlie corner of the building. And then the water main is also on the Bravo Charlie corner of the building. The shutoff is located inside of a janitor's closet there. So if we do pull up there and the building's on fire, some of the tactics we would employ would be, first of all, we're going to set up formal command post. We're going to perform a 360, and hopefully we'll have time while we're performing our 360 to shut off all the utilities. We're going to connect the engine to the hydrant with LDH supply line. The building does not have fire department connections, so we're not going to be worrying about hooking up to that. Obviously, the fire size is going to kind of dictate which lines we pull. A 200-foot crosslay will reach. If we're going to work with a 2.5, we'll go ahead and place either the blitz fire or just a 2.5 smoothbore into operation. And like I said, 200 feet is enough to reach the building. Our first priority is going to be searching the areas with known victims. We know where that's at, located in the building where the children are supposed to be at, but we're obviously going to continue to search the entire building until everyone's accounted for. The ladder placement, the fire's going to kind of dictate, where we're going to place that ladder, either for defensive operations or rooftop ventilation. But be mindful that there are electrical lines on the Charlie side of the building, so that's going to kind of prohibit using that ladder truck on the Charlie side of the building. That's really about all I got on that.